So here I am editing next to my precariously placed Alexa. And I'm wondering, what's the keyboard shortcut to increase waveforms? I'm editing in Vegas and there's a lot of keyboard shortcuts and just random things I want to know. So, Alexa, enable Vegas Pro Assistant.
Okay, here's Vegas Pro Assistant. Hello, let's get to editing. I am your Vegas Pro Assistant. Say help to hear some options. You can find tutorials on YouTube from Tech Dive AV Club as well.
Well, how do you make a cut?
Press the S key to make a cut on the selected video event. The cut will occur on the marker placement.
Alexa, how do I fix my track size?
Pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the up arrow will increase track size. Likewise, Ctrl Shift and the down arrow will decrease track size. Pressing tilde will return all tracks to their default size.
Alexa, how do you increase waveform size?
You can change the waveform size without changing the volume by holding Shift and pressing up or down.
That's great, you can stop for now. Vegas Pro Assistant is a free app on Alexa, and Alexa is a free app that you can get anywhere on Windows, on your phone, or through one of the devices that you see here. So, if you want to try it, try it. What do you got to lose? There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for more Vegas information, as she said, there are more tutorials on this channel. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.